Hi guys, so let's make paper chips. They're really easy to make. I'm using one green origami paper. Just make green chips, why not? So first what we're going to do is fold in half diagonally. Then unfold. Then rotate. Then fold again diagonally, just to fold the X. Then unfold. Then get the top corner and fold it to the middle. And do it in every side. So now we have another, but a smaller square. So we're going to fold a triangle like that and do to each corner, just small. I will say this is just 1 centimeter or 2 millimeters, or I don't know. So this is a little tricky part. You will get one flap, then you're going to fold that part, how much you fold in that part. Then you will see a line there, just tuck it in like that. Just like when you tuck in, just to tuck in that triangle. Do to each side. So I'll show you again 3 times. We're going to open this, fold it down, that's what you put. Then you will see the triangle shape. Then you push that part. And there. We'll do the other side. So this is the last time. You will put there, tuck it in. And you're going to tuck it. Push it down. And do like that. You're going to find that line there. So do it to the same side. So now you're done. So now you have like a circle shape. Then turn it. You're going to fold it not exactly in half, not all the way to the half. Then fold down, then fold up, then fold down, then fold, then turn the other side and do the same thing. Okay, so we have our origami chips. Thanks for watching.